From hotspots to scenarios, micro-learning offers a dynamic and flexible approach to learning, catering to the needs of modern learners who often require on-the-go access to information. Canvas, a widely used learning management system, or LMS, offers educators various methods to efficiently deliver packaged course content. This tutorial will guide you through two primary ways to upload content to Canvas. Although Storyline is mentioned in the examples, the processes apply to other content as well. There are two processes. Use SCORM packages for interactive, trackable learning modules suitable for complex e-learning content in Canvas. Or upload files directly via the Canvas web platform, ideal for course materials, assignments, and resources. But first, follow these steps to upload SCORM content to Canvas. In the top right, click on the Publish button. In the Publishing window, select LMS and then choose SCORM 1.2. Next, click Publish, and a zip file with the necessary assets will be generated. In your Canvas course, click the Upload button. Select the SCORM zip file of your Storyline project and upload to start the process. Your Storyline Interactive is uploaded to Canvas. Click the I button to preview it. Next, choose the import type. The graded option tracks student performance and records scores in the gradebook. The ungraded option allows students to complete the activity without affecting their grades. The page option uploads the content as a regular module item without tracking student performance. Now let's focus on how to embed content directly into Canvas using HTML embed codes. They are commonly used to add videos, interactive widgets, presentations, and other multimedia elements. To use the rich content editor in Canvas, log into your course and select Pages from the course menu. Click the plus sign to add a new page and type the name of your interaction. Next, click on the Insert tab, scroll down, and select Embed. A dialog box will appear where you can paste your iframe code. After inserting the iframe code, save and publish the page. Your Storyline content hosted on Netlify is now embedded in Canvas. Here's another way. To use the HTML editor in Canvas, start by clicking on any existing page titles. Then, switch to the HTML editor by clicking on the HTML editor link found in the top portion of the Rich Content Editor. Now you can embed your interaction. Save and publish the page. Your Storyline content is now embedded in Canvas.